So we're going to make a compass, and we're going to use a bowl of water, a paperclip and a magnet to do that. Now the first thing to do is to check whether your paperclip is able to float on its own, which mine is not able to do. And if yours isn't able to float by itself, then you need to find something that you can attach it to that will float. I'm going to use this piece of cork, but you could use a drinking straw or anything that floats really to attach it to, just so that your paperclip is able to float in the water. Okay. Once your paperclip is attached to its floating device, you're then going to put one end of the paperclip onto one end of your magnet. So to start with, your paperclip is not magnetic, and the reason for doing this little bit here is to give it some magnetism. So by putting your paperclip onto the magnet, you are giving it a north and south pole. At this point, we don't know which end is going to be north and which end is south, because we don't know on the magnet, on the fridge magnet, which end is north and which end is south. So once your paperclip has got its magnetism, you're going to put it very carefully into the water and just leave it there, and it will start to turn around. And what it's doing is it's aligning itself with the Earth's magnetic field. Now it will take a little bit of time to do that. It's going to have to settle down. Okay, and it's spinning itself around. Okay, I just put it in there. I didn't give it any spin when I put it in, so it's chosen to move itself. Okay, and if you have a compass at home, you can compare your bowl compass with a real compass. Okay, so this is my compass, and the red hand is pointing towards the north, and you can see that where my paperclip compass has now stopped is in alignment with my real compass. So this end here, that's the north seeking pole, and this is the north seeking pole, and it points towards the north pole. And this end down here, that is a south seeking pole, and it's pointing towards the south pole, as is my white hand on my compass.